Hi folks, welcome to beautiful Guarantee RV. Today we're going to be looking at the Forest River Heritage Glen. This one is a 29 BHHL model. It's a new item that we're carrying here at Guarantee RV, but it's got a lot of great things on it. Let's take a look here as we walk around just through the outside. Huge storage area here, lots of storage, and it's a deep and tall storage, so you can fit a lot of gear in there. It of course also has a nice big outdoor awning, outdoor speakers. It's got a place if you want to add a television. There's a hookup here. It's got an outdoor workstation here, a little sink, nice little storage up here, nice sink, nice steel countertop, bottle opener or a fridge. Also back here you got a little extra cargo carrier that'll fold down. You can throw bikes or ice chests and firewood on. It's really a neat unit. Great for the first time family. Great unit to get started. Also has the solid step entry, which I really like. It's really nice. Big handle, easy to get into. Let's check it out. Now as you come back here towards the back, we'll start back and work our way up to the front. It has a really nice area for the kiddos. You got 3 bunks back here. A nice dinette area too, which also makes into a bunk, so you could actually sleep 4 back here. But this is kind of cool, having a little extra separation for the kiddos. They have their own little play area, own little spot to eat. They really like it. Back in here we got the nice big U-shaped dinette. Lots of storage in here. Deep cabinets. Inside here in the bathroom we've got a tub shower. Nice medicine cabinet, sink and countertop and toilet. Very well designed, beautiful unit. Here's your cooktop. It's got the upgraded stove, beautiful burner, nice sink. You got your dish rack here. Clean your dishes with this rascal. A little skylight in here, which adds a lot of light in here, natural light, so it makes it nice to see, so you don't have to have your lights on all the time. A nice couch area that pops out into a bed. Great little entertainment center here with speakers built in. And then back over here is your bedroom. And in here, of course, when these doors open, the TV will spin around. Nice good mattress in here. This unit really comes with a nice mattress. Most people replace these mattresses, but this one's a really nice top of the line mattress. Lots of storage in here, lots of overhead storage. Wardrobe closet. Really a beautiful unit. I really like the way it's designed, the look. It's really nice. If you have questions on this particular unit or any other unit, please give me Big Sal a call or come see me down here at Guarantee RV. Like I said, call me. My number is 951-443-8323. Thank you.